Let's learn about keyframes. Keyframes are one of two ways to animate objects in Figma Motion. A keyframe marks a point in time where you set a specific value for a layer property. When you set a second keyframe for the same property but with a different value, Figma Motion animates the transition between them. You can set keyframes for any property with a diamond icon next to it. This includes standard properties like position, scale, and rotation, as well as less obvious ones like fills, effects, and shaders. To add a keyframe, click the diamond icon next to the layer property. The diamond will turn blue and a new keyframe will be added to the timeline. The layer section of the timeline indicates the type of keyframe applied and the property value associated with it. To create movement, you'll need at least two keyframes for the same property. For example, if I wanted this square to scale from 0 to 100% over 1000 milliseconds, I'd add one scale keyframe to the start of the timeline with a value of 0, and a second keyframe at the 1000 millisecond mark with a value of 100. To change a keyframe's value, double-click on it to select it. Then update the value either in the right sidebar or in the layers section of the timeline. You can also copy and paste keyframes, or select two keyframes on different layer tracks and right-click to align them vertically on the timeline. To delete a keyframe, select it and press delete on your keyboard. You can also loop keyframes if you'd like the motion to play continuously for the full duration of your animation. Right-click on the keyframe in the Layers section and choose Loop Track. This copies the existing keyframes along the length of the timeline. For faster keyframe creation, you can enable Auto-keyframe in the timeline controls. While enabled, any change you make to an object will automatically add new keyframes to the timeline. Just drag the playhead where you want the change to occur and update the property, either by changing the value in the right sidebar or by making the change directly on the canvas. Every property you change while Auto-keyframe is active will be recorded, so be sure to disable Auto-keyframe once you're done making changes to avoid creating unintended keyframes.